this mugwort, fennel, and lemon balm that I collected back this summer. It's making a really good herbal digestive tea, like a bitter. I think that we're all genetically, ancestrally predisposition to still need in our diet bitter plants, because we had a lot more experimentation with our plants. We had a lot less choice in what we could eat, so we had to try what was in front of us, and a lot of those plants were bitter, and the phytonutrients that are in them, we don't, in nutrition, typical nutrition, even register as necessary nutrients, but they're perhaps what's lacking in everyone's diet. And I really feel after starting to ingest, it's starting to like turn some wheels, like some obvious wheels in my digestive system. It was really quite interesting, and it does that every time, because apparently my body hadn't had enough diversity of things in order to produce the things it needs to break down my food well enough, like stomach acid and bile. And so as soon as I had those bitters, digestive bitters, if you don't know, are designed to supplement for us not having bitters in our diets, and a quick, easy, rather painless, because it's so quick, way of ingesting all the bitter that we need, that our body needs for the day, and particularly before the meal, because the bitters jumpstart our digestive system to start and trigger it to start producing stomach acids, strengthening the stomach acid, and also releasing the bile, so that your fats can be broken down adequately from the bile, and so that your proteins and other things can be broken down adequately by the stomach acids, strong enough stomach acid. So yeah, bitters are lacking in everyone's diet. We're totally lacking in bitters. It's crazy. We try to avoid that which doesn't taste as pleasant as carbohydrates. It's so ridiculous. Oh my god. Bitters are also oftentimes antimicrobial, so that if you have a parasite overgrowth or candida overgrowth, some kind of bacteria overgrowth, the microbes and the parasites in particular have been proven to connect to our central nervous system and actually try to influence our decisions on not only what to eat that benefits its colony, but also recently they've linked it to sexual urges, so that it can jump hosts. Bacteria or parasite can jump hosts. Isn't that crazy? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Silly chicken.